welcome to our channel.
Hi, this is CNV's DIY Tech Tips. So in tonight's episode of CNV's DIY Tech Tips, we're going to be talking about how to keep your Wi-Fi on during load shedding or during a power failure. So we've got tonight this little device. This is the box, and this is what is commonly known as a UPS.
This is the real one.
Everybody, so this one here is a Link QNet UPS, commonly used to keep your Wi-Fi running during load shedding. So let's have a look at this one. This one costs about $6.99 at one of your famous brand online stores or one of your famous stores. So over here, we've got a power on button. We've got lights to show that it's on. And then in addition, you've got a 12 volt, a 13 volt and a 24 volt. Just make sure that you use a 12 volt or a 9 volt for this. Don't do what I did and blow the power by using 24 volts. Over here, you've got a power supply. Here's your voltage switch. So please make sure that you've got it on the lowest voltage, which is your 5 volts. And here you've got your cords that will go to your fiber line and also go to your modem. So luckily this device came with the cords. So we've got, here we go, we've got a power cord. So let me show you how that plugs in. There we go, can you see? Right, so that one's plugged in. And this cord, this is quite a peculiar one. It's got one inlet that goes into the box, and then two, there's a split. One goes into your modem and one goes into your fiber. So this goes over there. Right. And over here, just to show some functionality, is a USB. So you can charge your phone or anything else that uses a USB during load shedding. Right. So yeah, we have my modem, which is a TP-Link. And over there, we've got our power supply. And behind the wall, I'm not sure if you can see it nicely, we have my fiber box. I'll bring that a little closer. Let me show you that. There's my Vumetal box. Okay, and that's the fiber line. Right, so let's show you how this works. So here's my UPS. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to plug it into my power supply. You can see that it now has got power. Right, I'm going to take the power supply from my Link. You can see that it's currently on. And now I'm going to disconnect the power source. You can see that it's now off. And I'm going to connect. I'm just going to make sure that my voltage is on the lowest. I'm going to connect this one to the back of this. Everything else stays the same. Right, do I have power now? And this one will plug into the wall. Let me switch this one on. There we go. Right. Should start seeing power come on. There we go. I'm seeing a light come on. Right, so the last thing left to do is to plug this thing into my fiber line. Here. Right, and there we go. I've plugged it in. Right, so if you look at my setup, there's my UPS, there's my modem working, and there's my Vumetal fiber line. You might not have Vumetal in your house, all set up and ready to go. So what will happen now is that as soon as there's load shedding or a drop in power, this UPS is now powered all the time, getting an electric charge, and it will just switch over seamlessly so you can carry on in your meetings or watching Netflix or doing whatever it is that you're doing. And now you go, you can charge a phone or anything that uses a USB. And there you go, you're back in business. If you like this video and want to see more such videos, click subscribe to our channel and like us. We would love to hear more from you. Bye.
Bye bye.